To solve this quadratic equation, let's use the technique of completing the square. Let's walk through the process. First, ensure the quadratic equation is written in standard form. ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. As you can see, this quadratic equation is in standard form. So fill in the values for a, b, and c. A is equal to 1, b is equal to -10, and c is equal to 1. Since a is equal to 1, we'll just be working with the values for b and c. So starting with b, the -10, we rewrite it as 2 times another number. So -10 can be rewritten as 2 times -5. We take this same value, the -5, and we square it. But you just can't add a number to one side of the equation without changing the value. So therefore we have to subtract that same -5 squared. This way the plus -5 squared and the minus -5 squared cancel each other out and the equation remains unchanged. And then we continue with the value for c, which is 1. Now this expression here can be rewritten as a linear term squared. So we can rewrite this as x plus -5 squared plus 1 minus -5 squared, or 1 minus 25, which becomes -24. We can start simplifying this equation by getting rid of the -24 from the left side. We get the quantity x plus -5 squared equals +24. We take the square root of both sides and we get x plus -5 is equal to the square root of 24. Finally, we can solve for x and find the roots of the equation. Since we have a -5 here, it becomes x equals +5 plus or minus the square root of 24.